Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. So we have a new product that we're going to be trying out. This is what we're going to be trying out today, and this is from Pixi. I haven't tried anything from Pixi before. I don't think so. I wanted to try out this for you guys. This is the H2O skin tint, okay? And then I pick up the shade Espresso. So they have 16 shades on the Ulta website, and this is retail for $24. So on the Ulta website, it says that it's a brand new product. So I'm like, okay, let me just give it a try for you guys. So this Pixi H2O tint, skin tint is a water-based gel tint that evens out skin tone and gives a flawless semi-matte finish, hydrating, long-lasting, and water resistance. So the key ingredients: rose water, lavender, and lavender. The benefit of this skin tint: it gives a healthy, no makeup look, innovative weightless gel texture, balances and refreshes instantly, covers redness and uneven skin tone, suitable for all skin types. Okay, and it also said that is not tested on animals. So this is it. This is what we're gonna try, and it has a pump right there. You guys see that it has a pump. Girl, I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this is my actual shade. Okay, so this is the shade, and this is Espresso. Okay, it looks like it's gonna work. It feels like actual gel, like it's really soft. Hopefully like this don't oxidize. I'm not sure, but I'm liking the shade. It looks really good on my hand, as you guys can see. So let's just prep the skin. So I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. acne fighting putty primer. If you have acne problem, girl, this is it. I've been using this for a while and I actually love it. I use this a lot when I'm going to bed, and it works really good for my acne. As you guys know, I break out right here, and I have a little spot I'm trying to get rid of, but so I'm just gonna put a little bit on my skin. And girl, you see my skin? All I've been doing is drinking water. I don't drink soda or anything. This is it. Like, if you really want good skin, like clear skin, you need to take care of your body first. And the first thing that you need to do is stop drinking soda if you're one of those people that love soda. So I tend to use these type of brushes for my foundation. It just blend out the product better. I'm gonna take a little bit on here. It looks like it's oxidizing, like it's, yeah. So I'm gonna do this side first with the brush and one side with my hands, and let's just see. I think this is gonna be enough for my entire face. So I'm gonna take a little bit and put here. It feels really nice on the skin, very hydrated. And even though this is a matte finish foundation, you guys know, like, I do a lot of stuff to my face that I know is gonna bother me, but it looks really nice. It looks very nice. But a medium coverage is fine. I'm gonna do this one side first so we could see. I'm getting good coverage though. So this is the amount that I'm using. Like, I'm using a little bit at a time. I just hope that this is not matte. It says it hydrates the skin. I hope it stays like that. And I think this is enough. I do like this. It looks so good. It really don't even look like if I have anything on. Perfect. So I'm gonna try to like cover this around my lips with the brush. It's settling into the skin, I could tell. And it's not covering up my acne right there, which is fine. I just want a little coverage, not too much. And I do love how it looks. On my hand, it looks like it's oxidizing. And I think this is too much. I really don't need all of this on my face. I'm gonna take a little bit. This is the amount I'm using, and I'm gonna go down here. I really didn't put a lot. So I'm gonna take your advice and I'm gonna try. This is not something that I do at all. I don't like using my hand, but we'll see. It actually feels really smooth on your face. Like, look, it's not cakey, it's not even clumping up or anything like that. Because I don't really think a lot of people wearing like full coverage. It's just not something. I don't even wear foundations like that. I only wear foundation when I come in front of the camera. I just like my natural skin, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna use my brush for this step here. I don't wanna mess up my brow, so I'm gonna use my brush for this step here. It looks better on this side. Oh my gosh, it looks so good on this side. I like this side better. I may have to start using my hands when it comes to tinted moisturizer. It looks hydrated. Like, I actually love this shade. It looks really good. This is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. And this is espresso. It's not heavy. It feels very hydrated. And it's not even matte on the skin. I don't really feel any tightness. In person, I could see myself wearing this at the beach, you know, if I'm going to work, or if I just want something really light, I will wear this. You know, everything is still showing. That is fine. I still do like it. It looks so good. As you guys could see right there, all that is showing up, and it is oxidizing a little bit. I could tell like the shade is changing, which is fine. I'm not even sure if I put product on my nose. I don't think so. So I'm gonna go over and put a little bit on my nose. I tend to forget to put foundation on my nose. I am in love with this. Okay, girl. This is beautiful, beautiful skin tint. I am impressed. I love the color on my skin. I love the shade. I really do like the shade. It's hydrated. It feels so good on my skin. It said it's a matte finish, and as you guys know, and if you've been following me for a while, you know your girl have really dry skin, and this feels really good on my skin. I have no problem. It's settled into the skin really good. Finally, I got a skin tint that I could wear, and it matches my skin tone. Okay, girl. I use the brush on this side and I use my hand on the other side. I honestly like it with my hand a little bit more. I get a little bit more coverage, okay? Honestly, this side looks way much better. More hydrated, you get more coverage. It just looks really, really good. And this side is just the brush. It looks a little bit more on the matte side. It's not a lot of coverage on this side. Okay, still looks good, but I prefer this side. It just looks so better. As you guys could see, you could tell it looks so good. Like I am okay, girl. I love it. It looks so hydrated. Look at this. Now I love it. Like this looks so good. If you are darker than myself, Ulta only carry Espresso, which is the darkest shade on their website. But try out Pixi.com. They have all the shades on their website. And also try out Target. So thank you guys so much. See you guys in the next video. Bye guys.